Yeah. Go find Pop Pop. Okay, go find Pop Pop. Okay. The door's fine. Bye. 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 What's up, you guys? So, long time no talk. But today I'm going to be doing my May favorites because it's been a while since I've done a favorites video, and I don't have like a ton of stuff, but I do have quite a few products that I've been loving in the past couple months, really. So let's just get right into them. The first thing I'm going to start with is primers because I have 3 that I've been loving. So I've really been loving the Peach Perfect. Like, it's just, when I first tried it, I was kind of like, not really, like, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. But I've been using this with another favorite that I'm going to talk about in a second, and it has just been so bomb. Like, you guys, I love it. It's cooling. It does keep me matte. It says it's a skin perfecting primer, and I mean, like I said, I love the look that I get when I use it, so I'm not going to say that it doesn't perfect my skin, but it does kind of leave a little overcast if I use it without a foundation. So I don't use it by itself, but it is like a really good primer. The next one is one I have had for a while. It is the Fenty Beauty Primer, the Pro Filter, and I do not like the Fenty foundation. Like, I tried it once, I didn't like it. So in trying to get back up to trying out the foundation, I decided to start with the primer. And y'all, this primer is so bomb. Like, any foundation I put on over it looks flawless. Any foundation, doesn't matter what it is, any foundation, this primer looks wonderful with it. Alright, so the next product I have for you guys is another primer, and it is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Y'all probably remember the hype around this when it first came out. It's kind of died off. I don't see a lot of people using it anymore, but I saw it in the store and I was just like, you know, I should use that again. You know, I should pick it up and use it again. And holy crap, it's so good. Like, it's so good to my soul. So good to my soul. Like, y'all, so good. And it's still like super affordable. I think it's like $5 or $6, so super affordable. All right, so next I'm going to jump over to concealers. The 2 that I've been loving are very, very, very similar. Actually, I have 3 concealers. These 2 are super similar in everything except price points. So the ones I'm talking about is the NARS, what is this? The Soft Matte Complete Concealer. The color I have is Caramel. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little lighter than my skin tone, but I love it so much. I use it when I'm doing days that I'm like no makeup. I like to use this concealer. And then I just rediscovered this one. So it is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and I have mine in 2 colors. I have Nutmeg, which I've not used, and then I have Tan. And Tan looks like this. So Tan and Caramel are pretty similar in their colors. Tan might be a little bit darker than Caramel, and I actually like Tan better because it is closer to my skin tone, so it's definitely more of the no makeup look that I'm going for. And because they're both full coverage concealers, I can just like apply them straight to my face, put a powder on, and I'm done. They are like bomb. And these NYX concealers are only $5 each, so I was super impressed. I ended up getting mine from Belk when they were having a sale, random, but so it was like buy one get one half off, so I got them for both for $7.50, and I really like them. Like, I forgot how much I liked them. Alright, so the next product I have for you guys is the Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer. Mine is in medium deep. It looks pretty much just like the packaging, so that's what it looks like. And I just love it. I like it for underneath my eyes. I've really been into cream products. I just feel like they are a lot more easy to blend out, I guess you could say. Like, they blend a lot easier. It's pretty much just a one and done kind of thing. Like, I've been loving cream products, so I've definitely been loving the NYX concealers and Maybelline concealer. And the next product I've been loving is a foundation, and it is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. So mine is in the color Suede, and it just looks like this. So pretty good match to my skin tone. I like this, I even like this when it first came out, but like I told you guys earlier, I've really been trying to get back into trying out the Fenty products. So I decided to give this another shot, and holy moly, I just love the way it makes my face look. It literally is like your skin but better, especially when I use the combination of the primers plus that plus that matchstick. It's just like y'all, it's bomb, okay? It's pretty bomb. Alright, so the next product I have for you guys is another foundation. It is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. So they just came out with a bunch of new colors. I'm not gonna say just came out. It came out a while ago. But they just came out with it maybe a month or two ago. They extended their shade range. So I got the color Chestnut for myself. I am wearing it today. I can't tell if it is a perfect match or not, but I really like it. So it's supposed to be transfer resistant and medium coverage. I can attest to both of those being true. Well, I'm not going to say anything about transfer resistant. I mean, I don't notice it as much rub off with other foundations, so I guess it could be considered transfer resistant. But I'm also not rubbing my face up against things. I'm just kind of trying to be aware. But like I said, I don't notice that it's rubbing off on everything, and my sunglasses and all that stuff. I don't notice that it's rubbing off like that as much as I have with other foundations. I've not tried it it's supposed to be a 14-hour formula. I've not tried it for 14 hours personally. I will say I'm still pretty matte, so I'm gonna definitely say it's a matte foundation. But I definitely like it. It is it's bomb, okay? It's bomb. Alright, you guys, so next product I have for you is the Kat Von D Brightening Powder. The shade I have is Golden, and I got this for $15 from Sephora online. It just, it happened to be on sale, so I was like, I'm going to try it out and see what it's looking like, and I really like it. I'm wearing it today. It is super bright. I think it looks really good. The only complaint I have is that it never settles underneath it, so it's always a bunch in the top, which I don't like, because if I don't screw the lid on very tightly, my nephew will come in and just get it everywhere. So that part I don't like, but otherwise it's a really good brightening powder. I love it. It keeps me matte. It doesn't dry me out. I really like it. Alright, you guys, so the next product I have for you is a blush, and I'm so late to the game when it comes to this blush, but it is the NARS Orgasm blush. So you guys see it here. This is just a mini version of it. I ended up getting mine for my birthday from Ulta, the little free gift, and I've literally been using it every single day since I got it. Well, I didn't purchase it, but when I use this up, I'm gonna go back and purchase a big one because I really do like it. It's super flattering. I did not think that it was gonna be as flattering on my skin tone. I just thought that it was one of those blushes that was not gonna work for me, but I was wrong. It works. It looks really good. I like it. So yeah, this blush right here. It does kind of suck that they are not a cruelty-free brand, but I mean, I still like the product. Don't judge me. Alright, so the next two products I have for you are highlighters. The first one I'm going to talk about is really not a stranger to YouTube. It launched back in February, I think. It is the Amrezy palette, and it's with a collaboration with Amrezy or Amra. I'm not really sure. Anyway, she collabed with Anastasia Beverly Hills, sorry, and created this gorgeous highlight. As you guys can see, it's got the little waves in it. I'm wearing it today. I don't know if you guys can really tell or not, because I didn't put a lot on, but it's so pretty, and I love it. I really like it. I'm wearing it on my eyebrows as well. I kind of just used my fan brush and just kind of went everywhere with it, just kind of give me a glow. But I love it. I love it. Alright, so the next product I have for you guys is this product here. It is called Tiara by MTF Cosmetics. It is a highlighter that is so gorgeous, you guys. If I'm not wearing the Amrezy highlighter, I'm wearing this highlighter here, and it's just so pretty and so complimentary of brown skin. It's everything that I want in a highlighter. I got it because of Ashley D, I think. I can't remember, but I will put her channel down below. She actually was using it in a tutorial, and she said that it happened to be a cross between LeBron's and La Peach, and I was just like, you know what? I need that in my life because I didn't have either of those at the time. And honestly, since I got those two, this one is still my go-to highlighter. Like, highlighter. I don't know why. It's just like, it's a really good highlighter for my skin tone. So it's just like the bomb. Alright, you guys, so these are the two highlighters. So this one right here is the Amrezy palette or highlighter, and then this is the Tiara highlighter that I've told you guys I've been in love with. They're both just so gorgeous, and they both complement brown skin so very well, like, but in their own different ways. Like, I really, really, really enjoy them both. And so I've been alternating between one versus the other, one versus the other. Alright, so the next product I have for you guys is actually a brush, and this came from Walmart. It was less than $7. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I actually found it by watching a fellow YouTuber. She was using it for bronzer, and it actually is a bronzer brush, but I like to use it for foundations, like powder foundations. I just find that it works so well to help like blend everything out and kind of just give me a smooth canvas. It's just so awesome and so affordable, and everyone can find it because it's at Walmart. It's like a super big dome brush, and it's just like I just like it. Okay, I just purchase it, you guys. You won't regret it. You just won't, I promise. Alright, the last beauty product I have for you guys is by Essence, and it is the Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. And I'm wearing this today as well. We've been out in the hot heat all morning, and I've had my nephew all morning. So the fact that my face still looks this good, and it is now probably 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I did this at like 9 a.m. Definitely, considering how hot it's been today, it's definitely like, I'm impressed. But anyways, I love this spray. I like it even more than I like the Urban Decay setting spray. For some reason, it makes my makeup just kind of like melt together and just look like it's my skin. It's flawless. It's gorgeous. It makes everything seamless. And it doesn't dry me out, which the Urban Decay one kind of will give me a super dry look. That, or it just does not work with the powder that I use it with. I don't really know. We're going to work on that later. But this spray here is like $4 from Ulta. I think you can also get it from Target as well, but it's so great. It is just so great, so affordable, and like I said, I like it better than my Urban Decay spray. I use it more often than I use that one, but it's really good. It helps my makeup stay on all day long, and it helps it just kind of, like I said, melt into my skin so it looks perfect. Alright, so the last product I have for you guys is actually not a beauty product. It is a fashion product, and it is these sunglasses. They are the Desi High Key, not fades. They are the gold on gold ones, and they're so bomb. Like, I just feel like they're a vibe. They are a vibe for summer. These are the minis, so they fit more like a regular sunglass on my face, which I really do like. They also don't slide off my face, which I really do like. And I actually got mine on sale because I think they had a sale on like all their gold sunglasses, so I ended up purchasing those. I really want to get some fade minis just because I really like the way these fit on my face. It's a lot more flattering. I mean, I like the big ones too, but I just feel like the minis fit my face shape better. So that might be on the to-do list for this summer. I don't know. I do still, you know, wear my regular ones anyway, so I really don't have to be extra, but those alcohol wipes.
Okay, thank you. Come on. No, come on, go get Chip. You fat kid.
Alright, yeah, so that concludes my May favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a little like down below and subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below in the description box. And I'm going to go because my nephew is coming back, so I will see you guys in the next video.